Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore ETF portfolio rebalancing with Charles Schwab. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Charles Schwab account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab on the home page. In the drop-down menu, select Portfolio. Locate the ETF portfolio you wish to rebalance. Click on the portfolio name to view its details. Next, find the option labeled Rebalance Portfolio. You will see your current asset allocation displayed. Review this allocation against your target allocation. Determine which assets need adjustment to achieve your target. Adjust your ETF weights as necessary to realign with your strategy. Schwab may suggest specific trades to help with rebalancing. Review these recommendations carefully before proceeding. If you agree with the suggested trades, confirm your selections. Alternatively, you can manually input the changes you wish to make. After confirming your adjustments, review the potential impact on your portfolio. Once satisfied, finalize the rebalancing process. You will receive a confirmation notification once the trade is executed. Keep an eye on your portfolio's performance over time. Consider setting reminders to review and rebalance regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech